Welcome to the video installation for the Easy-On seat cushions. We begin by setting up the mounting straps. Make sure your strap is facing male side up from your seats. Fold one side to allow easy passage through your chair. Come around from underneath and fasten the belt like so. Do not over-tighten, slightly snug is fine. Then adjust so the buckle is underneath the seats. Repeat the same process for the upper portion, folding one end to easily feed through your chairs. Insert through the plastic buckle and smoothen out your strap. Your mounting setup should look similar to this, and now we can begin installing the cushions. To install the top cushion, lay the top piece over your seat. Align the cushion starting from the center and press out the cushion into place. Adjust the position of your side covers to go behind the seat. To gain access to your armrest, you can unzip the cushion and roll down the center like so. When not in use, simply return all positions to the previous. Find the hooks from the panels and link them to a secure place to the back of your seat. Optional elastic extension is provided if necessary. Secure the rest of the open straps with a metal hook provided in your kit. Let's come back to the front and make holes for the headrest poles. You'll need to make holes exactly to the size of the hole opening. Alternatively, for the center headrest, you can unzip a portion for the center and tuck in like so. For the headrest holes, just press down and the material will stretch over the cap for a flush finish. Now install the headrest cover and use the wide elastic tab at the bottom. Reinstall the headrest and our top portion is complete. Now we will begin to install the rest of the inner panels. Just like the outer side panel, you have a Velcro portion that attaches to the seat cushions. Adjust for the right height and width of your side panel. Put it back in place and you're good to go. Let's do the same for the inner panels as well. We'll take an inner panel piece, remove the Velcro strap, then unzip the side with your 60/40 split. We're going to adjust for height and width. Then attach the inner side panel. Tuck in with your hands and repeat for the other side as well. Hook the elastic straps to the back and then zip it back up. Now, to install the seat portion, we begin again by aligning from the center out. Start with your cushion skirt inverted upwards so that it can be wrapped over later. Press down on the cushion to hold in place. Going to unzip the areas where you may have seatbelt clips and adjust as shown. So here we have a seatbelt obstruction. A portion of the cushion can then be released, tucked in, zipped back into place, and then you can tuck in the rest by hand. Smoothen out your cushion so there are no folds or wrinkles anywhere. Now we could flip over the skirt to fully wrap the bottom portion of your seats. Smoothen out and tuck in any areas one more time. Then use the metal hooks for the open straps to go underneath the seat. Find a secure spot underneath your chair to anchor the hooks. Your finished install should look like this. And thanks for watching.